Here it is, 2018 Grom. Just a real quick video. I did one of those faux chimeras that you see on eBay all the time. Dual exhaust. I made my own fender eliminator kit by taking the old fender apart and using all the Honda parts and the main brace. And the beauty about it is now I got something to grab a hold of when I want to pick this thing up and throw in the back of my pickup truck. And it gives you a little bit of, maybe some scrape action. Hopefully it doesn't, but there it is. Faux Chimera, 405 miles. Here it is. Hope you enjoyed it.